Hi, today I'll show you how to quickly edit multiple images using the macro recorder and keyboard extension. For example, if you need to upload them to a service, but that service has size and format restrictions. So let's get started. Today I'll be using Paint for editing. The process is roughly the same with other editors. First, let's set it up so that images open directly in Paint when you press the Enter key. To do this, right-click on any image. Select Open With, then select Choose Another App. Find Paint in the list and click Always. Close Paint, select the first file. Now start recording the sequence of actions in the macro recorder. Press Enter to open the file in Paint. Next, press Ctrl+W to open the Resize window. I'll reduce its size by half. Press Enter again to apply the changes. Save the image using the Ctrl+S shortcut. Press Tab to select a different file type. Press down arrow to expand the list of available save options. Use the arrow keys to navigate to JPEG. You can also use the mouse. The macro recorder will record its movements as well. Press Enter once to confirm the selected file type, and a second time to save the image. Close Paint using the Alt+F4 key combination. Then press down arrow to select the next file in the folder. Now you can stop recording in the macro recorder. Check the fast box so that the actions repeat much faster, and check the loop box so you can specify the number of repetitions. In my case, there are 9 files left to resize, so I need 9 repetitions of the recorded macro. Start playback and watch as new files appear in the folder. While the macro recorder is running, I'd like to remind you that our channel has videos showing other ways to use it. And if you just need to quickly convert an image to a different format, you can do it with a single click using the File Explorer widget. Done. I'll sort the files by type, and you'll see that the final images are now about 10 times smaller. Now you can definitely upload them to any website. Check out my other tutorials as well. In them, I cover the rest of the useful features of keyboard extension,